This is the color scheme that I use for my videos. Make sure you copy down the black.
Really helps to have done a lot of work with complex numbers in order to remember how to do this problem. You've got this expression here, and if you're going to work with it at all, if you're going to split anything up, the best thing to do is to multiply by the conjugate. What's the conjugate? Well, the conjugate of the denominator. The conjugate of anything would be its, if you have a plus bi, it's going to be a minus bi. Like if this were 3 plus 5i, then it would be 3 minus 5i. Just change the symbol of what you've seen in the middle. The conjugate of this numerator just happens to be 3 plus 5i. The conjugate of this denominator happens to be 8 minus 2i. Well, if you multiply by the conjugate of the denominator over the conjugate of the denominator, then you actually get rid of the i's here. When you FOIL it all out, this is foiling the foiling the numerator here. You get this, and foiling the denominator, you get this. So you get 14 minus 46i over 68. That's this right here. If you factor out 2 from each of these terms, that's the greatest common factor of the three terms, then the two, they cancel out and you just are left with 7 minus 23i over 34. You could further split that up into two fractions, and you get this answer C. By the way, I just want to, right off the bat, eliminate. You can't just erase the fraction bar here to get either one of these. So these are both trap answers for people who really don't know what to do, and they're just like, I might as well get rid of this fraction bar here and call it a day, and that's it. You can't do that, and that's why the traps here exist.